Why are you still awake?
I'm waiting
Waiting for what?
for New Year resolutions that you won't follow.
Why are you staring?
I'm impressed.
By what?
How confidence stays high, even when results are low. That's brutal. Oh my God.
New year, new me.
Again?
This time serious.
You said that last year and the year before.
Okay, small changes.
Perfect. Start with this sentence.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm observing
Observing what?
how confidence survives without evidence.
Everything perfect?
Almost.
Almost what?
I ordered patience. You brought excuses. It's coming now. Relax. I'm not hungry anymore. I aged.
Oh my God, that's brilliant. Best phone of the year.
Every year?
Yes, upgraded.
Specs change fast? Honesty stays outdated.
You want discount?
No. I want truth mode on.
Impressive, right?
Very.
What exactly?
The muscle's working harder than the brain. Oh no! All right. That hurt.
New Year goals?
Healthy life
Good.
starting tomorrow.
Why not today?
Today is still last year's problem.
This year is my year.
I know.
You said that last year.
This time it's different.
Different plans.
Same excuses.
Oh no!
Oh, Richard.
I got you.
This year, discipline.
January energy.
I won't quit.
Relax. You'll pause.
Trust me,
I have no choice.
looks fresh.
From front? Yes.
And from back?
From back? It's character development.
Who are you?
Same question.
Purpose?
To check security.
And?
Result pending. You're sleeping.
Follow rules.
Good advice.
For drivers,
And phones should listen to.
mind your business.
I am. Traffic psychology.
Strong coffee?
Yeah.
For you?
No. For your motivation.
A long night?
Same shift. Different dreams.
Any doubts?
What?
Ask.
Will this help in life or just in exams?
Good question.
Life teaches itself.
Exactly. That's why we're confused.
Ha! True though.
Well, that